Okay, so here is the best way on how you can unblock websites on a school Chromebook. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy and simple to unblock any websites on your school Chromebook. So what you can do is just simply head over to a website or Google Chrome, because it's a Chromebook obviously. And what you need to do is just load up Doge Unblocker. So right over here, this one, which is V4, or you can just simply go to its website and open it up, and you can pretty much use any website or any games, pretty much anything you wanna browse on this unblocker. And now the second one, and my favorite, which I personally use in my school as well, it will be Bolt Unblocker, because I've been using Bolt Unblocker for a while now, and if you go to its website over here, it's very simple. You can just simply search up any kind of web which is blocked, or can't be watched. So you can just simply type in YouTube and search it up like this, and once you search it up, it will just show you the actual YouTube while it's blocked. So yeah, this is it on how you can access blocked websites or anything blocked on your school Chromebook. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.